guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James, aka Wisma, and karibu sana to another video. If it is your first time to watch my videos, you are welcome. Karibu sana. Consider subscribing and also turn on notification bell that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first one to know that I have a new video, or rather I've uploaded a new video. In today's video, I'll be speaking, or rather this video, I'll do it in English. And I will tell you why later in this video. So karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, ninakuenzi sana, and karibu sana to this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for sharing my videos, for coming back, for watching. And I am so happy, and I am so happy, so happy and grateful that I have you as my community, as my family on this channel. So in today's video, I am sharing with you a cleaning. It is a cleaning video. Or during the weekend we had gone for, if you watched my latest video, I did a we went for a getaway staycation in Portsmouth. If you have not watched that video, I will link it up here, and you can go back and watch. So basically I'll be doing the cleaning and showing you some updates in the kitchen. My baby turned 6, so we are going to wean the baby. So basically today's video, it's about, and of course some recipes here and there. So watch and stay with me till the end of this video, because I love you so much, and I love you, and I love being here. I love doing videos. And yes, and let me know how you do your cleaning, or how you do when you come back after a staycation. So in this bag that you see, that paper bag that I am removing, those are the clothes that are dirty clothes. I don't know how you pack your clothes, but when I pack, every time I pack clothes, I have to put at least a bag that is empty, so that when, you know, at times you will not use everything that you carried, but of course you will have dirty clothes. So instead of mixing the dirty clothes, I always carry an empty bag, so that I can put the dirty clothes in there. And when I'm traveling, I put my toiletries, or rather mafuta and that such kind in one bag, so that it is easy to access everything. And then hautaingia kwa bag, and then you get that everything is messed up, imejaa mafuta. So that's why I have that's how I pack when I'm packing for when I'm going out, or when I'm going out of the house and I know I'll not be in the house for some few days, or even a night. That is how I normally pack. So karibu sana, and enjoy the video. that I'm done with making my bedroom and unpacking. So now I will go down. I want to change the baby, the nappy and the clothes, and then we will go downstairs as I continue doing the cleaning. You know, after a holiday and you come back, the house is always a mess. So this is my darling, my yes, and now she's 6 months. Now we are about now to start eating. I am gonna weigh her in this week. So I am ready. I'll show you. I am ready for her. This is my kitchen. Don't judge me. Don't judge me there. This is how it looks, but in a very short time. This one, when you walk here, as always, my husband says, the times I get this house and it looks like a hotel. Anyway, so this is Furaha Sufuria. I bought it for her cook. Is it just me, or you do the same? That you have sufurias, you have baby's cups, you have the way the what do you call it? That thing ya kuosha vyombo. You have it for everyone, and you have for baby. Yani kuna vitu za mtoto. Is it just me, or you do the same? Let me know in the comment section. Now my boys are awake. You know, after that Kajani, they needed some rest, so I'm going to make them they want to have some cereal, so I am basically warming their milk and put the cereals. They are having different cereals. Danji wants to have cornflakes, and Davis wants to have cookie something. So yep. So and after that, these are the things that I bought, and I'm going to show you one by one. And as I told you, I am ready. Your girl is ready for her girl. Yeah, ready for my girl, because I'm gonna win her. Yeah, she's a peaceful, she's a happy girl, and I love that. She's one of my kids wenye hawajanisumbua hata kidogo. So I got these ones. Those are pan. They are bread pan. You can bake with them in the oven. These are some silicone spoons. I bought them at B&M. A very nice meat diary. I like it. This is some 2 containers that has some reed for the baby. This in wash. I love putting these ones when I'm doing laundry in the machine. And I also bought this when I am doing the ngoos, cereals, the whatever. It's very nice. And then that is water bottling. I also bought these ones, and this one I am liking. They are, I think they are 8, and I love. This is air perfume or something, yes. And these ones spoons for Furaha, and I like them. because I see like they are chewable, si ngumu. When the baby gets it into their mouth, they can chew it. If they are teething, they can just wanaanza kuyumauma. It is very nice. I like. Hizo ni capsicum. Kwa sababu kupika is a must in this house. Some tomatoes. Most of my things I bought at B&M. Kaka nika kiri. What do you call it in English? You know, sasa nimeanza kufanya English. I don't know how you call it. Anyway, if my English is mathogodhan, you don't worry. Yeah, so I bought some oranges. I bought this feeder. I like this feeder because it is plastic kinda, but it is very soft and very nice. And yeah, your girl is ready. Hiyo ni uji. And this is akasahani. This one is for very soon, maybe when she's 8, I will start giving her the finger, they call it finger what? Finger food. Yes, I'll start giving her finger food so that I'll be putting in this kasahani yake so that he'll be able to just to grab it and take it in the mouth. Yep. So zikinunuliwa, we wash them. Mama namna gani, my friend? So yeah, so is it just me or you also do this? You buy and then you wash them before you use. Let me know in the comment section if that is what you also do. I know I said that I will let you know why I am doing this video in English, and why it's because most of you have inboxed me and asked me, Winnie, can you do your videos in English? I enjoy your content, but most of the time I don't understand what you're saying. If you would kindly speak in English, I would love to enjoy and to be part of what you're doing here on YouTube, and that's why I am doing this video in English. And I would want to know your views. What do you think? Should I do Kikuyu videos or just stick in English, or do both, or do the mix of three, Swahili, English and Kikuyu? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. What are your views about it? What is your opinion? And I will check it out, because you are the consumers of my content and I would want you to be part and parcel of this family. I don't know if you have checked me on Instagram. I am also on Instagram. My name is Winnie James, WINNY_James, and I will appreciate, and I am also grateful that you guys come in the inbox and tell me, Winnie, we love what you're doing, we love your videos, and you also ask me questions about coming to the UK. And also I have some links that I have put on the description box, Amazon links. You can use them and buy some products. Some are views, some are nice, some I will do some reviews. And I appreciate if you buy from the links. I will also get some commission kadogo, and that will be to enable me to buy maziwa ya mtoto. Ama you don't want furaha to grow nicely enjoying maziwa yenye wewe umenunua. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you and I love you so deeply. God bless you. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and also to share. Lunch is served. Karibu sana.